Continuing its high-intensity crackdown on urban encroachments, the Agartala Municipal Corporation carried out a major eviction drive in the Abhoynagar area on Monday evening. The drive specifically targeted illegal shops and temporary structures that had mushroomed along the embankment near Bhagwan Thakur Chomni. Armed with bulldozers and supported by a police contingent, the AMC task force demolished several unauthorized establishments that were obstructing public space and the natural drainage flow of the area. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.